Hey guys, Kirah in the garden here, and today I am going to be disassembling our potato tower. We decided to cut the cord on it just because after watering it daily for about 2 weeks, it just hasn't really shown any progress. So we're just gonna harvest whatever we can out of it at this point and either start another crop or maybe put something else in its place. So stay tuned and hopefully we can at least harvest some little baby potatoes. So I'm not really sure how to open this thing. Jeremiah's the one who put it together. It might be baby potatoes. That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah. You have a vessel to put them in?
I'll get one if there's anything worth collecting. I think that's step one mainly, seeing if there's anything. Alright, here goes nothing. Woo! Oh my goodness! We have potatoes! I thought everything died. Look at this one. It's kind of splits down the middle, but I reckon it's still good. So at this point, I realize I'm doing more damage to the potatoes with the pitchfork, so I'm gonna get some hand tools and start taking them out by hand. Alright, so at this point, I'm pretty much done digging through the top of the dirt. I'm basically only going to slowly remove the dirt and put it into like a wheelbarrow or something and look for like our final few potatoes. But otherwise, I'll show you the final harvest from this stack, and I'm so excited. We at least got some potatoes, so it wasn't like a complete failure. We definitely learned a lot and we know what to do next time, but let me finish this up so I can show you guys what our end results are. So here's our final harvest of potatoes. Wow! Oh, that's so exciting. So it turns out that these are actually red potatoes. I I thought they were russet for the longest time, but as soon as I started digging, I saw like a bright red. I'm like, what the heck is that? Like that threw me off guard, but here it's about like the average size of the potatoes, but there's a bunch of like little tiny ones. I mean, I only picked up a few, but there's literally tens, you know, maybe even hundreds. Definitely hundreds of that little guy. So this definitely wanted to grow and was in the right direction. We just unfortunately let it dry out. So definitely in the future, make sure it stays hydrated during those dry spells, because once the leaves died out, there was no way the plant was able to photosynthesize anymore, and therefore the spuds couldn't get any bigger than they were. But anyway, I'm still very happy about what we got here. Gonna probably roast these up with olive oil and rosemary tonight for dinner. And thank you guys for joining, and we'll definitely be planting more potatoes for a fall planting, so stick around and check it out. Take care guys, thanks for watching. So I'm in the garden today and I've decided to pull the plug on the tomatoes. No, wow, no. So I've decided to pull the plug on the potatoes